right before your eyes, my friends. Look at that cut. Hello, my friends, and welcome back. So today we're showing you a 10-piece kitchen, camping, adventure, barbecuing set. Comes with a nice little carrying handle there as well. So this is supposed to be a set that allows you to have everything, and oh my goodness. Well, my friends, I think we got everything in this kit. Wow. So we're gonna just go over everything that comes in the kit. I'm gonna show you guys everything. Wow. Everything actually seems to be made out of steel as well, so that's a plus. Now, if you are using something with a fire, you probably want rubber gloves since everything is metal. If you're using something that's, you know, if you're keeping any of this stuff on very high temperature. Ooh, that's a heavy-duty pair of scissors. Wow. That is a really nice pair of scissors. Alright, so we showed you that. Let's go ahead and check out everything else. Alright, on to this side. Wow. Well, that is nice. And that is super sharp as well. Right before your eyes, my friends. Look at that cut. Right before your eyes, directly out of the box. Wow. Yeah, that's a sharp knife, my friends. Definitely put that back in here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's a knife with... that is actually pretty cool. You got a fork. You got a spoon. Oops. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. What? Is this supposed to come off? Yeah. It looks like it is. And then when you're done, it's magnetic, so it stays together. But it can come off. It doesn't come off until you pull out the fork. That is interesting. Then it comes off, and then you got a knife and a spoon on the one end. And then you got a knife. Oh, no, you got it. Looks like a bottle opener, corkscrew. Is that a knife? No. That is so interesting. So that way, they're not on one. So if you want a fork and spoon out, close everything up. You have your fork and spoon. And then all you have to do is connect it like this. And close everything up. And it's all in one again. That is very smart thinking. Very cool. Wow. Got a nice cutting board. This is actually a really nice kit for prepping. We're actually going to use this kit for prepping. And when we go on hiking trips and stuff. So I think that's it. Yes, that is it. Wow. Yeah, I'm impressed with this kit. I definitely am. I like this. It's definitely a really nice kit. And, you know, as you guys saw, we took everything out. Look at this. Look at that. Everything goes right back in perfectly fine. You're good to go. yeah, this is a really nice kit, guys.